Football facts that sound fake, but are actually true. Cristiano Ronaldo can jump higher than the average NBA player. His vertical leap is over 78 centimeters. Lionel Messi was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency as a kid, and look at him now. A football match once lasted 3 days, yes, because of darkness and weather. The fastest goal in football history? Just 2.8 seconds after kickoff. Goalkeepers can get a red card without touching the ball. Rules are wild. Follow for more football facts that sound fake but aren't.